Oh my gosh, we have found the best fast food. Welcome back for another video to Recalibrate with Nate. I just wanted to make this video to talk about the best fast food as well as the best fruit snacks, which would be fruit just by itself. So quick, so easy. Biggest thing is you got to buy it and you got to bring it with you, right? So that's one thing, but man, it is the fastest of all food. Grapes, amazing. Wash them up, they're ready to go. Have a melon, cut it in half, ready to go. We have back here in our produce containers a bunch of mangoes. Fast food. This is like the fastest of all fast food. A lot of people will buy fruit snacks and it's like, let's just eat the fruit. That's the quickest, easiest thing to do. But I wanted to make this video to talk about how both Liz and I feel so good when we do take the time to prepare what we're going to bring with us, plan out our meals before we go on any kind of a trip. Whether it's just go shopping to grab more groceries or whatever, but we're going to be gone for maybe 3 or 4 hours, like maybe we'll want a snack. Or if we're gone for a couple of weeks on a trip, a road trip, we really like to plan these sorts of things out. So I wanted to say that I feel so blessed that we have built the foundation upon which we can implement these strategies that we learn how to take care of ourselves better by thinking of our future self and putting in that time. Right back here on top of our tomatoes, we got a bunch of tomatoes in these produce crates, but we have tons of wraps. And I just made a wrap. I didn't film it. I was kind of bummed because I wanted to add it to the what we eat in a day kind of thing on these trips. But I'm just on the side of the road, downtown Ashland, Oregon, making a wrap. And it just feels so empowering. We'll go to a shop, maybe grab like a cup of tea or something, bring our wraps in, enjoy some friend time, some company, eating the food that we know what's in it. No oil, no salt, no added funk of any kind, right? It's just so nice. And what makes that possible is having the recipes. So if you're needing some recipes to tap into to be able to make some really delicious sauces, dressings that you could pour on a salad, you could even bring a dressing into a restaurant, get the salad from the restaurant, say no dressing, and then you just put your own dressing on. It's kind of pointless to really say anything. A lot of times we don't say anything. We just bring it in, we get our salad, go to the table, and we just squeeze on our dressing. Because then we know what's in the dressing. And of course, we like to have no oil, and the dressing is so much more amazing. So if you're looking for these kinds of recipes, we've got tons of ebooks. Our hand salads book, which is so nice to be able to make these wraps, cheese recipes, dressing and sauce recipes in that particular book. Lots of different books, how to make burgers, how to make banana ice cream. All these sorts of things are 40% off when you use the code RAWFOOD40. I'll link it down in the description. If you aren't making some of these sorts of things, I would definitely inspire you to try it, because once you are out and about, if eating better is your goal, these sorts of things can really help us get a leg up, because then we don't have to wonder, where are we going to go? There's nowhere to go. There really isn't very many places to go, and that's why we bring our own. And remember, like fast food is fruit. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you on the next one. Love you.